This two-bedroom container home offers all the modern conveniences of today's living in style. The house embraces a thoughtful design throughout, taking into consideration all of its surroundings. In this video, we bring to you an amazing two-bedroom house built entirely out of shipping containers in Woodend, Victoria. Welcome back. This house is built using two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side to create over 320 square feet of habitable space. In addition, the house has an undercover entertainment deck fronting the house, plus a carport at the rear of the building. From the entrance, the living room features a cozy lounge space with a classically elegant sofa that is perfect for relaxation and entertainment. Next to the lounge area is a dining space, perfect for a small round dining table that can seat 3. Next to the dining area is a fully furnished open kitchen that has got enough two-tone cabinets to define the kitchen space, quartz countertops, well-finished kitchen backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage space with a separate laundry and ample light plus fresh air from the large kitchen window. Off the lounge area is the first bedroom, which currently serves as a home office. The bedroom is roomy enough to accommodate a double bed. It is joined by a stunning bathroom that features a vanity with storage, a large bathroom mirror, a toilet, and a glass shower cubicle. The second bedroom is a well-lit modern space, adequately fitted with a comfortable double bed with bedside lamps and a closet space. Adjoining the bedroom is the second bathroom. It features a vanity, a toilet, and a shower cubicle. The color palette for the house interior is white and bright, making the indoor spaces look bigger and brighter. This container house has got a sleek gray facade cladding covering the entire exterior. At the front of the house, there is a spacious 290 square feet patio with a sliding door and 3 windows that offer stunning views of the natural beauty that surrounds the property. The back of the house features an entrance door and a small window, along with a covered parking bay that can accommodate 2 cars. Which part of this amazing modern house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing weekly videos on shipping container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.